Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. This is one of my favorite EDC bags. I carry this bag with me almost everywhere I go, but it's incomplete. Now, one thing that this bag is lacking is a good everyday pocket knife. Now, a pocket knife was sent out to me to take a look at. I'm going to show it to you guys, and we'll figure out together if this is going to be a good knife for me. So this is what you receive, just a very simple box. And here is our knife. I'll tell you guys right now, the texture feels really nice on here for the grip. So this is a G10 grip on here. Now you have your traditional, pocket little clip on here. That's going to be great for, clipping it somewhere onto the bag. Then you also have this little pressure tab right here, and that's going to be for opening the knife. Now, the next question for me is how sharp is the blade? So I have a piece of paper here. We're going to test this, looking at this together. So we're going to see. All right, so that is pretty sharp right out of the box, guys. And of course, you can resharpen these knives whenever you need to. I'll tell you, the grip feels really nice in my hands. It is locked. So in order to close this, you have to press in like so, and then you can close the blade. And again, to open it, it's just that simple. Now, what I would normally do is I'd find somewhere on one of these little loops here, and then I would just clip this guy on like so. And that's kind of where it would live if I wasn't wearing this on a pocket. Hopefully this video has been helpful. I think this is a really cool little pocket knife. Very sharp, very sharp. So definitely give it a look. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video.